Hello, my name's Gwilliam. It is a very hot day, and today, on this very hot day, I'm doing some more stuff on the Corsa. As you know, if you have watched one of the other videos, there is a few videos, I think there's going to be 3 on the Corsa, and this one is because I developed a weird noise coming from the rear right hand side of the car, or the rear offside, to one of you mechanically minded people. So essentially what I think it is a wheel bearing, but what we have got to do is go and investigate. So that's what we're going to do, and if it needs changing, we're going to change it, and hopefully it fixes the noise. We've jacked it up, we've got actual stands underneath it, and what I thought it was the offside. However, if you spin the offside, there's no noise. However, if I come round here to the near side and spin this one, the way you guys can hear that. Can you hear that? It's a weird mechanical crunchy sort of noise. So I still think it's a wheel bearing, but I was wrong on the side. It sounded like the offside from in the car, but now outside the car with it jacked up, I think it's the near side. So that's what we're going to investigate now. We're going to look at this wheel bearing, get the wheel off, and then go from there. So now the wheel's off, this gives me access to have a look at this wheel bearing and have a see if that's a problem, and I'm hoping it is, because that'd be nice and simple. Well, simple in the fact that we don't need to find it. What we've done to get to the bearing is take this off. This is a bearing cap, and it's sat like that there. So all we did was get a pair of small neck pliers and get it out. So now I have access to the nut. So yeah, that's the first step to get towards the bearing done. So that there is a 27mm socket, and that is on the wheel bearing nut. Now we're going to use this big bar to try and take it off, and yeah, let's do that, and I'll catch you guys when we've done it. For the weird noise, basically, we did get the near side drum off, and this is the wheel bearing, and it does actually look a bit damaged. I don't know whether you guys can see, but it is a little bit damaged, so we have got a new one on order. We are going to change that, and it should stop the weird noise, and yeah, hopefully that's going to be great. New bearing in there is going to be, hopefully, the fix of this weird noise. So this is the drum of the culprit, basically. This is the one with the bearing on. So the next goal now is to get this bearing out and put a new one back in so it fixes the noise. Finally got the old bearing out, and it's time to put the new one in. This is the old one. Most definitely rubbish. It's gone. So hopefully, as you see, it just falls apart in my hand. So hopefully the new one will stop the weird noise from happening, and will all be good on that front. So as you can see, we have the new bearing in place. So essentially, that's it really. We need to put it all back together, put it back on the car, and then spin the wheel and see if it makes that noise. And that's hopefully going to be it for today's video after that. So yeah, new bearing is in. So the new wheel bearing is in, everything else is in place, the wheel is fully back on now, and if we just spin it, there's no noise, no weird noise, so that is good. That means the wheel bearing was the problem, and that weird noise coming from the rear side of the car was fixed. Now that's it for today's video. Hope you did enjoy it. Probably a shorter one, this one, but yeah, I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.
Now